Good morning. This is the 4th class in logarithm. I hope all of you are following what we are discussed so far. You are getting the concepts. See, once again I recall the results. Very first, see, these all logarithms functions are based on the indices, exponents. A raised to x is suppose m, then log m to the base a is equal to x. This is the definition of logarithm. Log mn, product of m into n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. This is the first law. Log m by n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a divided by log n to the base a. Log m raised to n to the base a is equal to n into log m to the base a. Log m to the base n can be changed as two separate logarithms as ratios. This is called as change of base. Log m to the base a divided by log n to the base a. A to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. This is another very important result. You have to remember, this is required again and again in many examples, especially while solving for this competitive exams. And log n is always log 1 is always 0. Now consider some more examples. This is slightly different from the earlier ones. Find x if 3 to the power log x to the y to the base y is equal to root 3. Here x and y both are unknowns. You have to express x in terms of y. Okay. See, this implies 3 to the power, 3 to the power log xy, x to the base y is equal to this. Can be written as 3 to the power log x to the base y is equal to 3 to the power half. Okay, that is log x to the base y is equal to half. Since bases are same, you can equate the indices. This implies x is equal to y to the power half or root y, or x square is equal to y is the required answer. Okay, let us consider another two examples. Suppose 7 to the power log x to the base 7. Okay, this is 7 to the power. Okay, 7 not 7 into. 7 to the power log x to the base 7 plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, you have to use this result here. A to the power log x to the base a is equal to x. Similarly, 7 to the power log x to the base 7 is equal to x. Given expression is x plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0, because a to the power log x is equal to x. A to the power log x to the base a. This base and this base should be same. Then only you will get that result. That is, this will become x plus this one. 3x is equal to 9. That is, 3x is equal to minus 9, or x is equal to minus 3. Okay, now find the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 89 degree, its product. See here, in trigonometry, let us discuss in the next classes. See, tan is trigonometric functions. Some of you might have studied this, sin, cos, tan. Okay, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 89 degree. See, product is somewhere here, tan 1 degree, log of 10 degree, log of tan 2 degree, so on up to somewhere here log of tan 45 also, so on up to log tan 89. Okay, that is equal to tan 45 is 1, that is log 1. See, somewhere here 0 log, so product is, if any factor in the product is 0, the value will be 0. This is because tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and log 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so these are all products. This is log 1, this turns out to be log 1, that is equal to 0. See, 0 into product of anything is 0. Okay, consider another 2 examples. Log 2 by to the base 4. See, this LHS is log 2 divided by log 4. You see, change of base. Log m to the base n can be written as log m divided by log n. The bases are same. Log 4, log 8, log 8, log 12, log 16. See, log 4, log 4, log 8, log 8, log 12 get cancelled. What remains is log 2 divided by log 16. This log 16 can be written as log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 4, isn't it? So log m raised to n, log m raised to n is n into log m. See, so this denominator can be written as log 2 divided by 4 times log 2. That is, log 2 get cancelled, answer will be 1 by 4. Okay. Consider the another example. Log x to the base 3, 4 times log x to the base 3 plus 4. See, if you want any clarification, if you want to ask anything, you just text me. Okay, I will give the clarification in the next class. Okay, since we are not conducting one-to-one classes, I don't know if it is communicating or not. If you want to ask any questions, you send message to this. Okay, log, let us take, this is the quadratic equation in log x. See, let log x is equal to 3. log x to the base 3 is t. Then this given expression becomes t squared plus 4t plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now to find the value of t, so t is equal to minus b, minus 4 plus or minus, you know this, isn't it, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Here b is 4 and a is 1, c is 4. See, this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus b square is 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, that is, this is t, that is minus 4 divided by 2. This plus or minus, it will be 0 because 16 minus 16, see, this is 1, okay. This is equal to minus 2. What is t? Log x to the base 3 is t, that is equal to minus 2 means, therefore x is equal to 3 to the power minus 2, or this is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is the answer. Okay. Consider another example. 7 to the power log x square to the base 7 is equal to 9. X plus 1 is equal to minus 8. You have to find the value of x. Solve means you have to find the value of x which satisfy both the equation. See, a to the power log x to the base a is x. So that implies 7 to the power log x square to the base 7 is equal to x square is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 3. Here x plus 1 is equal to 8 means x is equal to minus 9. This is minus 8 minus 9. See, since x is not having common values, there is no x values which satisfy both the equations simultaneously. So the equations has no solution here, no common solution exists for this. Okay, because no common values. Again solve for x. Log of 2 to the power x plus x minus 4 is equal to x times that much. Here you have to make one small rearrangement, that is, how to solve this? Can you try, anybody? See, that implies log of 2 to the power x plus x minus 4 to the base 10, okay, is equal to x into log 10 to the base 10. 1 is nothing but I expressed 1 as, see, log of a to the base a is equal to 1. Okay, log m by log n. So log a by log a is 1. See, 1 have to express it like this, minus log of 5 to the base 10. Since base are same, log m minus log n is equal to x times log 10 by 5 to the base 10 is equal to x into log 2. 10 by 5 is 2. What is x into log 2? This is log of 2 to the power x, isn't it? N into log m is log of m raised to n. So this is log of 2 raised to x plus x minus 4 to the base 10 is same as, see, bases are same means this implies 2 raised to x plus x minus 4 is equal to 2 raised to x. So 2 raised to x get cancelled, x minus 4 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 4. You got it? Only thing is you have to express 1 as this, then you have to apply the formula. Such kind of examples can be solved if you solved thoroughly. You practiced many number of examples, then only you will get such ideas. Okay. See the another example. This is also solve for x. See, log 3x plus 1 to the base half, log 2x squared plus 3 to the base 2. See, given expression can be written as log of 3x. Okay, shall I write like this? 2 to the power minus 1 plus a to the power minus 1 is 1 by a, log of 2x squared plus 3 to the base 2 is equal to 0. This is given. Okay, this is nothing but 1 by minus 1 log of 3x plus 1 to the base 2 plus log of 2x squared is equal to 0, because log of x to the base 2 raised to n can be written as 1 by n into log of x to the base a, 2 here, or if you change this as a, it will become more general. Okay, and log of x raised to n to the base a is equal to n into log of x to the base a, isn't it? If it is power to the numerator, denominator 1 by n, otherwise if it is power to the base, then that is 1 by n. If it is power to the log number, then due to this log of m raised to n, n into log of m. Okay, what happens now? This is equal to log of 2x squared plus 3 to the base 2 minus log of 3x plus 1 to the base 2. This is equal to log of 2x squared plus 3 divided by plus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 0. is equal to 0. This implies 2x squared plus 3 divided by 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 0. Okay, this is due to log m minus log n is equal to log m by n, and this is due to log m x implies a raised to x is equal to m. It is due to this formula. See, this is nothing but 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1. Constant raised to 0 is 1. So 2x squared plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 1, or cross multiplying 2x squared 1 into this much. Okay, come to the RHS. So this is 2x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. I am bringing 1 to left side. Plus 3 is already here. Minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. See, let us check for the discriminant. D is b squared minus 4ac. Because if it is negative, you need not find the solution. If it is positive, then let us go for, because the roots are real. B square means here 9 minus 4, a is 2, c is also 2, 16. So this is 9 minus 16 is negative. So roots are imaginary. So no real solution. This equation has no real solution. Log modulus of x to the base 4, log root of x to the base 4 is equal to 0. See here, do you know modulus of x? Simply suppose this modulus of function, any function, suppose you take minus of modulus of x, this will be positive, plus of minus x, this is positive, whatever it may be. This function converts the function inside it into positive. See, that actual definition of this modulus of x is, this will be x when x is positive, this will be 0 when x is 0, and this will be minus x when x is negative. This is the definition of x. Say, suppose x is 3, what happens? X is 3, this is obviously 3, and x is 0, that is 0. When x is minus 3, what happens? Since it is less than 0, minus of minus 3 means this is again 3. Okay, so always modulus of x is non-negative, it cannot be negative at all, and root of that x is also, because log is defined only for positive real numbers, so root of x is always positive. So 0 is not included, for all x belongs to positive real numbers except 0. This is the notation. R is for real line, see, real number, somewhere here 0, So these are all positive values, okay, except this point. This is denoted by this minus of that, okay. Now let us find the given equation is, this implies log of magnitude modulus of x divided by root x to the base 4 is equal to 0. This implies magnitude of x divided by root x is equal to 4 to the power 0, or this is 1. So this implies modulus of x is equal to root x. Therefore modulus of x is x. If you take square, let us square on both sides. X square is equal to x. Don't cancel here x and x, okay. You can cancel, then you will get x is equal to 1. See, but here you have to solve like this, x into x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. See, here solution is x is equal to 1 because 0 is not included. Suppose it is not given, then both are solution. If you cancel here, you will get only one value. Suppose x belongs to R, only this much is given, then x is equal to 1 will be correct. You can cancel and you will get the same answer, but the procedure is like this. See, so x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 are the solutions. These are the solutions. Another example, log x plus root of x square minus 4y divided by 2 plus log of x minus root of x square minus 4y divided by 2. See, this base is not given. Let us assume that the bases are same. Then log of, okay, log of m plus log of n is log of m into n, okay, x plus root of x square minus 4y divided by 2 into x minus root of x square minus 4y divided by 2, that is log of, see, a plus b, whatever it may be, a plus b, a minus b. So this is x square minus root of x square minus 4y. This is x square minus 4y. Square of root of x square minus 4y is square and square root get cancelled, divided by 4, 2 into 2 is 4. You got it? Okay. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square and root of square is equal to x square minus 4y. This is minus, okay, 4y it is. See here, now x square get cancelled. This implies log of minus into minus, that is equal to log y. So simplified form is log y. The expression, given expression reduces to log y. Is it okay? Only thing is you have to apply the first rule. Then a plus b, a minus b form, a square minus b square. Square this, take the difference. Okay, here how to solve this? You have to apply a to the power log x to the base a formula here. So this is 2 to the power 2, 3 log 3 to the base 2. See, 4 is raised to the power 3 log 3 to the base 2. I expressed 4 as 2 to the power 2. What happens? A raised to m raised to n is equal to, this will get multiplied. So 2 to the power 6 raised to log 3 to the base 2. Okay. What happened? See here, log a raised to log x to the base a is x. So this implies, okay, I will write one more. 2 to the power log 3 to the power 6 to the base 2. Shall I write like this? Okay, because this is a raised to m raised to n is a raised to m into n, and this is due to n into log m is equal to log m raised to n. Now this is equal to 3 raised to 6, because a raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. We are using these three rules here. So 3 raised to x, or 27 into 27, that is 3. Last two examples. Solve for x. Here 4 to the power log e to the power ln 7x plus 1. What is ln? Ln means, see, this ln 7 plus x means this is nothing but log 7x plus 1 to the base e. There are two bases for log, for commonly our usages. Log to the base e is called as natural logarithm. Log to the base 10 is called common logarithm. Common logarithm is most widely used in commercial, economics and financial purposes. This natural logarithm is used in scientific calculations. Okay, to the base e. And I told you in the first video that e is again irrational number which lies between 2 and 3, 2.712 something. It goes on, non-recurring numbers. See, ln is this much. Okay, now for this given expression becomes 4 raised to log e raised to log of 7x plus 1 to the base e to the base 4, isn't it? This is equal to 4 to the power log of, so this is power, okay, not into, 4 to the power log of, see this, log of e raised to log x, log 7x plus 1 to the base e. Again same rule, a raised to log x to the base a is equal to 7 plus x only, 7x plus 1, sorry, 7x plus 1 only. You got it? So this whole term becomes 7x plus 1. Log of 7x plus 1 to the base 4. Again this is raised, 4 raised to this much. Again this rule reduces to 7x plus 1. Okay. This is given as, this is equal to 3, that is given. Therefore 7x is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 7. Now you are asked to simplify this. Log of 4, log to the base 4, log of 3, log to the base 3. This will be log 8. Log 8 means log 2 to the power 3 to the base 2. Okay. This is log of 4, log 3 into log of 2 to the base 2. 3 into log m raised to n is n into log m to the base 2. Here base is 3. This implies, what is log to the base 2? It is 1. See, log of 3 into log 4, log to the base 4 it is, not 4. Log 3 to the base 3, log 3 to the base 3 is equal to log 1. I will write it here. Continue. See, log 4 into log 3 to the base 3 is 1. Log 1 is 0. Okay. You got it. You have to simplify from inner brackets. Is it okay? See, with this I will conclude the examples on this theory part. Actually I was supposed to discuss this for numerical part. Another part of logarithm computation is there by referring log tables, but it is not comfortable with dealing with that, because I have to refer that log and you have to keep that within your hand. You have to refer properly mantissas and mean differences, characteristic can be easily decided, but it needs some practical class only. So as I declared, today is the last class in logarithms. Next day let us discuss some points about trigonometry. Okay.